I'm going to go through how to use your CAS calculator to draw and also define simultaneous equations. So let's say that we've got two equations, and our first one is y plus 2x equals 6. Now it's a bit hard to graph that because I don't have function 1 equals, which is what I need on my graph page. So what I can do is I can go to Menu, Algebra, and Solve, and then put in y plus 2 times x equals 6, and then I can put comma y. Get rid of that other bit. And what that's going to do is it's just going to make y the subject, and it gives me y equals 6 minus 2x. I can also do the same for another equation. So let's say I've got another equation which is 2y plus 3x equals 9. So again I go Menu, Algebra, Solve. I put in the equation 2 times y plus 3x equals 9, and I solve that for y again, so it puts it in the form of kind of y equals mx plus c. Now I could graph both of those. So if I go to a home page and open a graph, then when I click across onto my calculator, I can go Command C to copy, Command V puts it in there. To go to my next equation, I can hit my down arrow to get to F2. Again, I go back to my calculator page, Command Copy, and Command V, commit to paste. When I press Enter, then I get my two graphs. Now when I've got a graph page like that, I can find out where those two, just move that out of the way, where those two intersect. I can do that on my graph page by going to Menu, Analyze Graph, Intersection. You'll notice down in this bottom left corner it asks for the lower bound. That means I just need to click somewhere below where the intersection is, and then it changes to upper bound. And that grey area that you can see is where it's searching for somewhere where they cross. And as soon as it finds one, it comes up with the point and intersection. And if I click, then it'll stamp that intersection point right onto my graph page. Another way that I could solve this one is back on my calculator page. I can go to Menu, I can go to Algebra, and we've seen Solve before, but if you go down further you'll see that there's a solve system of equations. And if I go down to that one, it opens up this possibility, solve a system of linear equations. That's what I want. Number of equations are 2 with the variables x and y. Sounds good to me. Hit OK, and it comes up with this linsolve command. Now if I type in my two equations, y plus 2x equals 6, and my 2y plus 3x equals 9, and oops, missed the plus, try again. Okay, now when I press return or enter, it gives me the x and y coordinate. Does it in a funny curly bracket, but anyway, that's what it gives me.